Hey boys and girls, welcome to Fundations Week 5, Day 3. This week we are learning the letters A and G. Let's get started with our drill warm-up. Okay boys and girls, let's echo. I will say it first and I'll have my hand like this, and then you will say it after me when my hand is like this. Here we go. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, N, nut, I, itch, U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. A, apple, ah. G, game, g. Very good. We've already done those. So now let's go to the standard sound cards and let's do the yellow cards first, the consonants. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. F, fun, f. G, game, g. M, man, N, nut, T, tap, t. All right, now let's do the vowels. A, apple, ah. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, up, That's awesome. Let's do the vowel extensions. We're not going to do E because we haven't learned that yet. We're going to do all the other ones. Ready? A, apple. A, apple. A, apple. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job. All right, boys and girls, for the next part, you're going to need your letters to know. I'll put them right here. And then you're going to need A and G out of your other bag, okay? Because we're going to add the A and G to the letters I've learned bag because, well, we've learned them. So let me move this cord over and let me put A and G here. I'm going to take out my other ones and lay them out. A, apple, A, F, fun, T, tap, I, itch, I, B, bat, B. N, nut, U, up, O, octopus, and M, man, All right, so you should have your cards laid out, or you can just be looking here and pointing at your screen. So I'm going to give you a sound. I'm going to say it twice, and I either want you to point to it, pick it up, whatever you want, okay? And you're going to try to beat me. So you're going to try to either point or pick up the card before I say the letter. All right, here we go. What letter makes the F sound? F. F, fun. F. Did you get it? All right, next one. I, itch, G. Good. What letter is that? G. I was looking at the screen. I missed the letter G. Game. G. that letter says Now look at my mouth, it's closed. M. M, man, B. B. Letter says B. B, bat, B. A. A, apple, A. O. O. O, octopus, O. N, nut, How did you do, guys? I hope you did good. Just keep practicing and practicing. We'll keep doing it, and you're going to get it in no time. Okay, boys and girls, you can keep playing this game. You can pause it, and you can keep playing this game. You can, just say, maybe you can do it with a sister or a brother or mom or dad or grandma or maybe your dog. But when you're finished, you can put all these A, G, C, F, T, I, B, N, U, O, and M. You can all put them in the letters I learned bag because these are all the letters we learned. I'm going to count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you learned 11 letters so far. All right, and all these 11 cards should go in here. The rest of them are going to be in this bag here. I'm going to zip them up, make sure. All right, and there that is. All right, boys and girls, right now you can get, you don't have to get your board out now. You can watch me first and then pause and then get your board out and try on your own. But I want you to try to do the lowercase a, and I want you to try to do it on your own, okay? I want you to watch me first. It will do my turn, and then you can pause the video, and then you can do your turn and see how you did. Okay, then you can ask a home helper, how did I do? Did I get close? Okay, but I want you to try to do it on your own if you can. All right, so we're going to just practice the lowercase a. Remember, we're learning the uppercase A, but we're not focused on how to write the uppercase A quite yet. When we're writing and reading, we use lowercase letters. We use the kids of the letters more when we read and write, so that's why we're just focusing on the lowercase letters. Then we're going to go back and we'll learn how to do the uppercase letters later in the year. So the lowercase a is a plain line letter, so you're going to start on the plain line, and you round back down to the grass line like you're doing the letter C, cat. You're going to go back up to the plain line and straight down to the grass line. A, apple, A. Try that again. You start on the plain line, you fly back down to the grass line, straight back up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. A, apple, A. Boys and girls, what I don't want you to do, I don't want you to do a circle and a line. Okay, look how that does not look neat, and you're going to be much happier later on to do it the way I'm teaching you. It's easier later on to do it this way. So you do a circle, up, then straight down. A, apple, A. This, you should never lift your marker. That is not correct, okay? So don't be in the habit. Get yourself out of the habit. I know a lot of students, they think, okay, if I do a circle, then a line, that's an A. That is not an A, okay? That's a circle and a line. So you want to make sure you do it, make sure you do it the way that I'm teaching you. You first do the letter C and keep going up and down. You don't lift your marker up at all when you're doing the letter A. All right, so now we're going to switch from the letter A, and then we're going to do G, G, G. Now remember, G is the first letter that we learned that we are using the worm line for, okay? But G is a plain line letter. You start on the plain line, you fly backwards, down. Oops, let me try that again. You fly back down to the grass line, go back up, just like the letter A, but you continue down and you hook on the plane line. G, game, good. Okay, again, don't do circle and like that. That is not the way you do a G. So when you do it, you do the letter C at first. You come back up, straight down, and hook. G, game, good. One more time. Go around, you do the letter C. You go back up to the plane line, straight down, and hook. G, game, good. Boys and girls, if you could take a picture of the letter A written on your board and the letter G written on your board and send it to Mrs. Toman to make me the happiest teacher in the world. Okay, so we are back to here. Remember that we learned the letter A and G. All the letters we've learned so far are A, B, C, F, G, I, M, N, O, T, and U. We've learned the vowels A, I, O, and U. We just have one more vowel, which is the letter E. All right, if you want a sneak preview of what the letters we're going to learn next week is the letters D and S. All right, boys and girls, amazing job today. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.